Granville and his sheer equipment. This is his fourth year on this truck. He's just trying to keep it together. And fourth year in the rough truck competition. Off to a good start. Let's see how it does down here in the left-hander on the binders. Real nice. Drew Parkinson. Still running. This is where he needs to make up that time. If he can get around this right-hander, does pretty good. Good recovery. Is he going to single or triple, or is the motor going to quit? Oh, man, still running. Hanging on. I think it switched into quiet mode. Man, boy, that is disappointing. Parkinson had a good run. But here he goes through. Parkinson. Into the air. Hartford Fair. 66045 for Drew Parkinson should put him in the top. Nope, just missed the top 15.